welcome to today's tip. I've got a beautiful photograph of my sun here. It's very small on this big 12 by 12. To help bring the eye into the photograph, I'm going to be adding some strips of colour that bring it all into the centre. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go with a very similar sunburst style, and all I'm doing is using a ruler and cutting out sections of my paper and heading all the way into the photo. In fact, what I think I might do is, so I know where I'm going to add just a really fine pencil line around here so I know where not to cut. So what you will end up with is this very floppy central piece, making sure that everything is attached to where your photo's going to go. Then what you want to do is, because we want to know where to ink roughly, again, just put the lines lightly in place. Now, using a pencil rather than a coloured pencil is probably preferred here. It's just so I don't have to ink up the entire back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark the ones that I don't need to do. So it's every other one. Now I've pulled out a selection of all of my greens, blues and some yellows, and I'm just going to slowly, bit by bit, make the colour sort of gradually come into the centre. So it'll be lighter out here and darker as we go in. Just getting a bit of scrap paper just to start all of my colours off, and then slowly work in. Okay, so there's the final bit. I've got lots of different colours in the end coming through, and I've got some of this iced spruce as well, and then I've got the yellow as well and the green over here. So it's a bit of a mismatch of different colours. I've tried to keep it all in the same side of the colour wheel, but the iced spruce didn't come out as much as I wanted to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some fun stamps in here. So I've got some trees and some clouds, and these are the ones that I made in one of my classes. And what I'm going to do is just go and add some of the inks from some of the other sections. So I'm not all keeping it the same. I'm going to really, really mix it up. And I am just sticking with my distress inks, but I'm not entirely sure how well they're going to go and how happy they will be on these stamps, because they're getting quite old now. Oh, perfect. They look great. So I'm just going to bit by bit add some lovely little stamps in here. I'm going to even have some coming off the page as well, or behind some of these tags. Okay, so I've got my trees at the bottom, my clouds at the top. Now, I've done my thing the wrong way, but it doesn't matter too much. My photograph's going to go in the middle, and now it needs something just to make it pop. I've just finished it with a lovely bit of bright yellow cardstock in the middle. Now, a few other embellishments would definitely bring this all together, and you could add some journaling along all of these lovely windmill panels here. I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to seeing you next time.